Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to my channel of healthy food recipes. Today we are going to make a powder to control diabetes as well as increase the energy level of diabetic patients. It's a very simple process consisting of only 2 steps with only 2 ingredients in it. First of all, we need to blend the ingredients and then strain it, and you are done. Nothing more. You can store this powder for almost 2 to 3 months in an airtight jar. So all we need is 300 gram of almonds, as almonds are good source of fiber, protein, calcium, magnesium, vitamin E and monosaturated fats. All these nutrients are very important for our body, especially required to boost our energy level and reduce heart diseases. It prevents diabetes or maintains the level of insulin after every meal. Our second ingredient is fenugreek seeds, 200 gram. It contains fiber, proteins, carbs, fat, iron, magnesium and manganese. These are required to reduce the blood sugar level, maintains insulin production, reduce gastric issues and reduce the risk of cancer. Now take a grinder and blend both these ingredients. First I am adding fenugreek seeds, as these seeds have a slightly bitter taste, so you can increase or decrease their quantity as per your taste. Now adding almonds. You can decrease the amount of almonds if you are suffering from high cholesterol level or if you are a BP patient. You can equalize the quantity of both these ingredients. Now blend it well to get a soft texture. Now our second step is to strain the mixture to get a very fine consistency of this powder. And strain it like this. And your powder will be ready. You can store it in an airtight jar for almost 2 to 3 months. All you have to do is to eat 1 teaspoon of this powder daily with water in the morning. But don't forget to take your medications. Take your medications regularly with this powder. And soon inshallah you will be able to see good results in your body with controlled sugar level and increased energy level. So if you people like this recipe, do subscribe my channel, give me thumbs up and hit the bell icon too.